Fans originally wanted to get the official after-sales service, but after watching our video, he decided to give it a try. Hello, everybody. This is an H338M 1.10-inch Pro. What about the full description? It doesn't turn on. Plug, injection. Power 5 volts, no boost 20 volts. After just testing all major organizations are normal, we tear off the sticker to detect the inductance. The inductor in the middle detects a short circuit. So let's take an external voltage of 1.3 volts and look at it. Connected thermal imaging. It shows the temperature of one location. It has reached 50 degrees. Then we just need to find the corresponding heat source. Test voltage. Display normal. Remove the original capacitor. Install a new one. Plug, injection. Again, current jump is normal. Apple has appeared. Repair complete.